Hey everyone, and welcome back to Talk Smart. I'm Emma.
And I'm Jake. We're so excited you're here with us today.
Today, we're talking about something that might surprise you. We're covering 10 English mistakes that even advanced learners make. Mistakes that instantly make you sound like a beginner.
And before anyone feels bad about this, let me say something important. Everyone makes mistakes. Even native speakers make grammar errors sometimes.
Absolutely. Jake, I've been teaching English for years, and I still catch myself making silly mistakes when I speak other languages.
Exactly. So if you recognize yourself in any of these mistakes today, don't worry. The fact that you're watching this video means you're already working to improve, and that's awesome.
That's right. And here's the cool thing. Once you fix these 10 mistakes, you'll instantly sound more natural and confident in English.
So grab a notebook, get comfortable, and let's start fixing these mistakes together. Are you ready?
Let's do this. All right, our first mistake is one I hear constantly. I am agree. Jake, have you heard this one?
Oh, all the time. Students say things like, I am agree with you, or are you agree?
Exactly. But here's the thing. Agree is already a complete verb. The correct way is simply, I agree. Listen, I agree. I agree.
So it's not, I am agree, it's just, I agree. And for questions, it's, do you agree, not, are you agree?
Perfect. Let's practice with two sentences. I agree with your opinion. Do you agree that English is challenging? Everyone repeat after us. I agree. Do you agree?
Much better. And remember, no am needed with agree.
Mistake number 2 is preposition confusion. Jake, I often hear, she is married with her husband.
Ooh, that sounds weird to me. It should be married to, right, Emma?
Exactly. In English, we say married to, not married with. Listen, married to, married to.
So it's, she is married to a doctor, or I'm married to my best friend.
Perfect examples, Jake. Let's practice. My sister is married to a teacher. How long have you been married to your husband? Repeat, married to, married to.
And never married with. That just sounds strange to native speakers.
Number 3 is a question mistake. How do you call this? Jake, what's wrong with that?
It sounds like you're asking about the method of calling something, not the name itself.
Exactly. The correct question is, what do you call this? Or, what is this called? Listen, what do you call this? What do you call this?
So if you're pointing at something and want to know its name, you ask, what do you call this? Or, what's this called?
Right. Let's try it. What do you call this tool? What is this dish called? Everyone repeat. What do you call this? What is this called?
Much more natural. How do you call just doesn't work in English.
Mistake 4 is about pronunciation, specifically word stress. Jake, a lot of learners say photograph instead of photograph.
Ooh, that's a big one. The stress is on the wrong syllable. It should be photograph, right?
Exactly. And here's another. Comfortable instead of comfortable. The stress placement really matters in English.
So it's photograph for the noun, but photography for photography, right, Emma?
Perfect. Let's practice. I took a beautiful photograph. And photography is my hobby. Try it. Photograph, photography.
Getting the stress right makes such a huge difference in how native you sound.
Number 5 is an age mistake. I have 25 years old. Jake, this sounds natural in many languages, but not English.
Right. In English, we don't have an age, we are an age. So it's, I am 25 years old.
Exactly. We use the verb to be with age. Listen, I am 25 years old. I am 25 years old.
Or you can make it even shorter. I'm 25, or she's 30.
Great point. Let's practice. My brother is 22 years old. How old are you? Everyone repeat. I am 25 years old. How old are you?
Never I have 25 years old. Always I am 25 years old.
Before we continue, I have a question for everyone watching. How many of these 5 mistakes have you made before? Be honest. Write your number in the comments. 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5. There's no shame in it.
Yeah, we want to know. And remember, recognizing mistakes is the first step to fixing them.
All right. Mistake 6 is, she explained me the lesson. Jake, what sounds off about that?
It's missing something, isn't it? It should be, she explained the lesson to me.
Exactly. The verb explain needs to when you mention the person. It's explain something to someone. Listen, she explained to me. She explained to me.
So you can say, she explained the lesson, or you can say, she explained the lesson to me, but never, she explained me the lesson.
Perfect. Let's try. Can you explain this grammar rule to me? The teacher explained the homework to us. Repeat. Explain to me. Explain to me.
It's all about that little word to. It makes all the difference.
Number 7 is a past tense error. I didn't went to the store. Jake, can you spot the problem?
Oh, that's a double past tense. Didn't is already past tense, so the main verb should be present. I didn't go.
Exactly. Didn't does all the past tense work, so the main verb stays in its base form. Listen, I didn't go. I didn't go.
So it's I didn't eat, not I didn't ate. She didn't call, not she didn't called.
Perfect examples, Jake. Let's practice. I didn't go to work yesterday. We didn't watch TV last night. Everyone say, I didn't go. We didn't watch.
Remember, didn't plus base verb, never didn't plus past tense.
Mistake 8 is overusing the word very. Jake, instead of saying very good, what could we say?
Oh, we could say excellent or fantastic or amazing. Much more interesting than just very good.
Exactly. Instead of very tired, we can say exhausted. Instead of very hot, we say boiling. These words are more precise and sound more advanced.
So very big becomes huge or enormous. Very small becomes tiny. It's like upgrading your vocabulary.
I love that. Upgrading your vocabulary. Let's try. The movie was fantastic to watch. And I'm exhausted after that workout. Repeat. Fantastic. Exhausted.
Using stronger adjectives instead of very will definitely make you sound more native.
Number 9. I suggest you study more. Jake, what's the issue here?
There's an extra to in there. It should just be, I suggest you study more, right?
Exactly. The verb suggest doesn't need to. It's followed directly by the base verb. Listen, I suggest you study. I suggest you study.
So it's, I suggest you call him, not I suggest you to call him.
Perfect. And you can also say, I suggest that you call him, or I suggest calling him. Let's practice. I suggest you take a break. And I suggest we leave early. Try it. I suggest you take. I suggest we leave.
No to needed after suggest. Just remember that.
And our final mistake, number 10, is confusing fun and funny. Jake, what's the difference?
Oh, this is tricky. Fun means enjoyable or entertaining, like the party was fun. But funny means something makes you laugh, like he told a funny joke.
Exactly. If something is enjoyable, it's fun. If something makes you laugh, it's funny. Listen, the game was fun. The joke was funny.
So you wouldn't say the comedian was very fun, you'd say the comedian was very funny.
Right. And you wouldn't say swimming is funny unless swimming actually makes you laugh. You'd say swimming is fun. Let's practice. The movie was really fun to watch. And that story you told was so funny. Repeat. The movie was fun. The story was funny.
Fun for enjoyable activities, funny for things that make you laugh. Got it.
Wow, we covered a lot today. Jake, should we do a quick review of all 10 mistakes?
Absolutely. And I have a challenge for our viewers. Try to say all the correct versions without pausing the video.
Great challenge. Here we go. Number 1, I agree. not I am agree.
Number 2, married to, not married with.
Number 3, what do you call this, not how do you call this.
Number 4, correct word stress. Photograph, comfortable.
Number 5, I am 25 years old, not I have 25 years old.
Number 6, she explained to me, not she explained me.
Number 7, I didn't go, not I didn't went.
Number 8, use strong adjectives instead of very. Exhausted, fantastic, huge.
Number 9, I suggest you study, not I suggest you to study.
And number 10, fun for enjoyable, funny for making you laugh.
How did everyone do with Jake's challenge? Could you keep up?
Even if you couldn't, don't worry. The more you practice these, the more automatic they'll become.
Before we finish, I want to say something important. If you recognized yourself in several of these mistakes, please don't feel embarrassed or discouraged.
Emma's absolutely right. Making mistakes is part of learning. The fact that you now know these 10 common errors means you're already improving.
Exactly. Every mistake you fix is progress. And remember, even advanced learners make these errors sometimes. What matters is that you keep learning and practicing.
Speaking of practicing, we'd love to know, which of these 10 mistakes surprised you the most? Leave a comment and let us know.
And if this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Talk Smart for more English lessons. We post new videos every week to help you sound more natural and confident.
Until then, keep practicing these 10 corrections, be patient with yourself, and remember, every step forward counts.
Thanks so much for watching Talk Smart today, Jake.
See you next week, everyone.